Now this illustration deals with ungrounded systems supplied by a feeder or branch circuit in accordance with 250.32C1. Now the previous figure 16-59A kind of dealt with the building to the right, the disconnecting means, the panel board enclosure, the raceway enclosures with the feeder connecting building to the right to the building number one. All that metal of the raceway, the enclosures, and so forth had to be bonded and grounded in to the grounding electrode or system, grounding electrode system in accordance with 250.50, 250.52, as well as 250.53. Now, this illustration it covers inside the building to the right, and all your metal enclosures, raceway systems, junction boxes of metal, and so forth, is bonded back to the earth connection to ground, as you see in the disconnect. So it basically lists the branch circuit conductors routed from the panel board, the conductive parts, the disconnecting means and switch, equipment grounds, and all conductive metal parts is bonded back through the grounding scheme of 250.118 to that switch, which is connected to earth ground. And that's what the figure 16-59B is illustrating, that all the metal in the building to the right, enclosing conductors and components, has to be bonded back to the earth grounded point in the switch in accordance with 250.32 C as in car 1.